With better drilling data that you recorded, quality assurance and quality control, drilling operations, this is truly where the best practices need to be. From ISEE and everything, we talk about drill logs and everything else like this. And paper drill logs, they just don't cover everything that needs to be covered. And this is real time and it's good. As a drilling provider, it helps us identify best tooling and equipment that is for that bench and that job that we're on. Blasters, best explosives. Is it really hard rock? Are we getting into a hard rock seam that's brittle and easy to break, or is it soft and punky and more like a sponge? And also helps to improve blast layout. And you can see changes over time in benches as well as in performance. And this is all through measure well drilling. Compare that to a paper drill log, you're not going to get the same information. And it's also non-subjective anymore. On a drill log, it is very subjective, and it varies between driller to driller and time of day and how long he's been working on that shift. So this is very good quantifiable data that is not subjective anymore. You also you can record whether or not the driller hit mud, water, and voids, all on a touchpad in the drill rig. It also records every second the penetration rate, feed rate, time to drill the hole, percussion pressure, feed pressure, rotation pressure. And depending upon the manufacturer of the drill and what you have wanting to be recorded, it records this on a per second basis, and it is really accurate. A driller can't pay attention that well all the time to what he's doing, as well as recording what's going on the drill. So measure well drilling becomes very precise for what we're looking at. Hole placement accuracy. You can also see how when you compare measure well drilling data to planned versus drilled, hole placement versus drilled, and the accuracy of it is also, you can do what is turned on as bottom of hole navigation. If the driller cannot set up on the hole that is as it's designed, you can now set the drill to where it will drill to the bottom of the hole as it was designed, as opposed to it just drills the same distance away. So it's a really important with this information, and it processes all this information very well. And one of the reasons General Drilling likes Strayos a lot is because they put this information in something that was very easily visualized and worked through. Major drill manufacturers don't necessarily have this kind of software that is readily easily used, and that's why we like Strayos and reached out to Strayos.